In this video today, we will see how to share a link for the WhatsApp group and invite other people to join the group. For that one, I will open this WhatsApp application, and suppose this is the group which I want to share. I will select this group. I will tap on the name at the top here, scroll down and select this option, invite to group via link. And from here, what you do, select share link. Now you have the option to share the link either through the messages, mail, Gmail, Messenger, etc. I want to share this link with the help of WhatsApp, so I will select WhatsApp here, and then I can select the contact to whom I want to share the link and then send it. So this is how you can share a WhatsApp group link. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.